Greetings, students. This is a short little explainer video on how to make a page in Google Sites. So this is my student portfolio template here that I have created for myself, and I'm here at my home page. I've got it labeled Mr. Neff's Student Portfolio Template, and I want to create a site. So I go over here on the right-hand side where it says Pages. You can do Insert, Pages, you can do Themes. We're going to start off with Pages. So you need to have a few pages here to create. What I am going to do is I am going to click on these buttons and I'm going to add a subpage. And my first subpage is going to be my Who Am I question mark page. Sweet. I'm going to come back over here. I'm going to click on these three buttons. There's another page that I need you to create. It is your 7th or 8th grade main page. And then what we are going to do is we are going to make subpages for each of your subjects. So your first subject alphabetically is ELA. Your second subject is individuals and societies. Your third subject is math. Click on these buttons, add a subpage. Your fourth subject is science. And then Spanish. And then you are also going to have a specials page. Because design, you have design, computer science, you got a lot of different specials. I didn't want to, you can be particular about that a little bit later. I also am going to need you to come back here and you're going to create two other just other pages. Other page 1, you can name it whatever it is that you decided to name it on your in your planner, in your organizer, and we're going to call this other page 2. And then we are done. And that is how you create pages here in